Submitting documents to Facebook for account approval can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you through it. Step 1. Access your account settings. Log into your Facebook account and go to the settings menu. You can find this by clicking on the downward arrow in the top right corner of the page. Step 2. Navigate to the verification section. In the settings menu, look for the section related to account verification or identity confirmation. This may be labeled differently based on your account type. Step 3. Choose document type. Select the type of document you need to submit. Facebook typically accepts government-issued ID, utility bills, or bank statements. Make sure the document clearly shows your name and address. Step 4. Upload your document. Follow the prompts to upload your chosen document. Ensure that the file is clear and legible. Facebook may have specific requirements regarding file format and size, so check those before uploading. Step 5. Submit and wait for approval. After uploading your document, submit it for review. You will receive a notification once Facebook has processed your submission. This may take a few days, so be patient. Once you have completed these steps, keep an eye on your notifications for any updates regarding your account approval. Good luck!